हेलो, नमस्कार।
नमस्कार। क्या कुछ गड़बड़ था? कुछ गड़बड़ था?
नहीं, मैं 9 o'clock से ऑनलाइन थी। मतलब मैंने ऑन करके ही रखा था। मैंने कहा कहाँ चुकून ऑन करा, तो अब मैंने देखा किसी ने ज्वाइन ही नहीं किया है। फिर मैंने अभी आपका मैसेज देखा।
नहीं, now I'm able to log in. पहले तो मेरा बोला था host will allow you. I'm logged in from
मैंने कुछ किया ही नहीं
6:45. No problem.
ओके। नहीं, मैंने अभी फिर रीस्टार्ट किया, तो नाउ आई थिंक इट।
हाँ, रीस्टार्ट हुआ होगा शायद, प्रॉब्लम।
हाँ, मैंने अभी रीस्टार्ट किया वापस से, तो इसकी वजह से अब एवरीबॉडी इज एबल टू जॉइन।
हाँ, पहले नहीं आ रहा था। चलो कोई बात
हाँ,
नहीं।
वही। चाय कहवा कि लिप्टन?
लिप्टन ही फिलहाल आज सुबह थाने इसमें आज सेटअप चेंज
आज सेटअप चेंज। बिल्कुल नाइस। चलो आप एंजॉय कीजिए वहां पे।
हाँ, बस
एक्सपीरियंस इज ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंटली।
दैट इज राइट। Just give me 1 minute. Okay. Are you able to see my this thing screen? Don't you come with it?
Yes.
Shivansh. Okay. Shivansh, can you read this one? You know how to read Devanagari, Hindi?
Yes.
Go ahead.
Oh, wait, but I don't know how to read.
You don't know?
Read it. I just know that Om.
Okay.
I just know how to speak it. I just don't know how to read it.
Okay, Farhinji. तो को पढ़ोगे?
मिशन हिंदी पुरमुत की
अच्छा, चलो ओके। आज पर ये श्लोक पर बुपाने। ओम नमामि त्वां शारदा देवीं महाभागीं भगवतीं काश्मीर पुरवासिनीं विद्यादायिनीं रक्षमां नमामि त्वां। So, and you can accept the issue to the Shaykan Perit Devanagari cancer. Thanking go Parabupane. Amipan Sadras Navichas Laman Katiboj Daimion Metidiatar Amen Taken Points and Shaman Zuchum Brahman Gargatsa. Okay. As for Gordon lessons for us, Dormus for us, lessons 3 lessons for us, special vowel, A, so O. Teacher, Shivansh, you were not there last time. Did you go through lesson number 3?
Yes.
Okay. Do you remember everything that? Okay. Farhinji type or was lesson 3 pattern? Farhinji? Chalo, then we'll start with this. Asho as lesson structure already लिखित के इसके पंच exercise करें, ठीक है ना? The revision and exercise. Shivansh, you read this first vowel, okay? First vowel, you read whole of it, okay? Go ahead.
Ush.
No, the first one.
Oh. Ush.
No, it is Alish.
Ush.
Alish. Yeah, next one.
cottage.
Good. Next.
Dummies.
Good.
Hut.
Hut. Okay.
Yacht.
Mute. Okay. Last one. I couldn't hear you.
Dalil.
Dalil. Dalil. Good. Farinji, to it I your story.
Alish, cottage, tamiz, hut,
Hmm.
yacht,
Hmm.
dalil.
Hmm. Hmm. Alish means like alien seeds. Katish means swallow, the bird. Tamiz means manners. Hut means wood. Mate means ball of food. Mate actually, Parenji, Aispata. Shivansh, you know what mate is? You know, when your mom takes a handful of rice in her hand and then she makes you eat it. That's called mate. Pata mate. Okay? Mate means
Okay.
one, you know, sometimes she feeds you. She puts a ball of rice in her hand and then just feeds you. That's what is made. She never did that. Oh, she never did that. Tell her that she should do it today. Okay. just just to make you remember this mate. Okay. Good.
You can also
Dalil
do it
means
with
narrative or narrative. Pardon? I can't hear you. You're muted.
me.
Yeah. Yeah, you're telling me something.
No.
That's okay. Okay, fine. Farinji, next vowel to for you.
Us,
Hmm.
posse, jud,
Hmm.
praj,
Hmm.
her, her.
Hmm. Hmm. What do you catch?
Us,
A double dot क्या गो? Switch करा. Hello, Farinji. A double dot. Ko godne. I'm brought him. आवाज से जोरी पर. This is this is Okay. Okay. Shivansh, can you read it? Shivansh. Okay, go ahead.
Yes. Us.
Go ahead. Hmm.
Oh, which one?
Earth means you read the whole one. Earth means what? You read the English meaning also. Okay.
Us means mouth. Ponsu means money.
Pens.
Jud.
Hold on, just a pens. It is not pensu. Pens.
Is
Yeah.
money. Jud is evil spell. Purge is chaff. Nur is vengeance. Third is mania.
Yeah. Maina. Maina is a bird. Maina is a bird. It is her. Okay. Correct.
Okay.
Okay. Now let's go to the third one. Farinji.
Tur,
Hmm.
makut,
Hmm.
putsun,
Putsun.
karut,
Hmm.
tin,
Twin.
Twin.
Mm.
Druk.
Direct. That's right. You can read the English meaning also. Tar
Okay.
means
Tur
peace.
is peace. Makut is small axe. Putsun is nipping. Karat is bed sheet. Tsin is charcoal, and druk is leech.
Twin would be agar I with a small right to left extractor. If it is postscript, it is twin. It is one
Tsin.
charcoal piece. Okay. Twin.
Okay.
Cynical, warrior. Okay. Okay. Shivansh, can you read this?
Dhar means peace.
Not turning. This is
Oh,
tur.
sorry. Dhar.
Okay.
No. Dhar means peace.
Uh,
Makut means small axe. Putsun means nipping. Karuts means bedsheet. Tsun means charcoal. Druk means leech.
okay. Good. Now we go further. Now you read this one, Shivansh. Now you read this next one also first with the word meaning. Okay.
Tunki cord. Okay. Tunki cord means cat gut. Dus means good gel. Fruits means I can't say that. Sorry. Associate something.
Auspicious.
Auspicious. Autumn means 8. And guts means how much.
I make one. Hold on.
Hello?
You are able to see me now?
Yes, but your voice is a little bit glitchy.
Farheen, you are able to see me?
Yeah.
Yeah, actually, I don't have a very stable network here, so I think please bear with me. I am not in my home. I am somewhere else. Okay. Kor is the word. Go ahead, Shivansh. Now you are reading. Okay.
Turned core means catgut. Dus means kujal. Fruits means auspicious. Utam means 8. Kuts means how much? F.
Tim. It is not Tim because T with a dot and H. It is Tim.
Oh.
Okay. Tim. Okay. And
Two.
Kuts. Okay. Means how many? Good. Parinji.
The same one?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. Turned core. Dus. Okay. Turned core is catgut. Dus is kajal. Fruits is auspicious. Him is 8th. And Kut means how much?
You can go ahead with the next one, Parinji.
Reh means flame. Heh, shock. Ke, something. Benye, sister. Peye, will fall. Ke, will eat.
Okay. Shivansh.
Ra means flame. Ha means shock. Ke means something. Ben means sister. Pe means will fall. Ke
Bene. Eat. Shivansh once more. Bene. It is Bene. Sister.
Pe will fall. Ke will eat.
Peye. fall. Kye will eat. Oh, good. Now we go. You read this. Oh, Shivansh.
Oh,
Go ahead.
I don't see.
Shivansh.
I don't
Your
see-
screen is frozen, I guess. It's
Yeah.
frozen.
Read this one also. You cannot. Okay, again some problem there. Okay, just 1 minute. 1 minute. You are able to hear me?
Yeah,
You are able to hear me?
but your
Yeah.
screen is frozen and
Oh,
your
okay.
face.
Oh, okay,
Okay,
okay.
it's here now. We can see it, I guess.
Okay, now it's okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead, Shivansh.
Oh, ko
Hmm.
means mountain. Mo means love. Focus means walked. Focus means tired. Potus means at last. Botus means stood.
Okay. Parinji.
Ko is mountain. Mo, love. Pocus, walked. Thukus, tired. Putus, at last. Vuthus, stood.
Shivansh, for you, moh also means mosquito. Okay. It also means love. It also means mosquito. Okay. Because Farheen knows it. That's why I'm asking and telling you specifically. Okay. Farinji, next.
Ben, different. Furs, hanging. Menzur, timber merchant. Caesar, simplicity.
Shivansh, conjunct with
Wait,
E.
this conjunct? Okay. Ben means
Okay.
different. Funs means hanging.
Ferns, Shivansh, ferns.
Ferns. Ferns
Yes.
means hanging.
Uh,
Benjur means timber merchant. Caesar means simplicity. Simplicity. Simplicity.
Very good. Read the next one also, Shivansh.
Oh,
Read the next one.
Vot means jump. Kot means a herb. Gondar means handsome. Sonder means AKP ritual. Bon means sit down. I mean, bon means
Let me once again read it for you. First one is what. Jump means what. Okay. A herb means quat. Gondor
What?
means handsome. What? Quat. What? Quat. Gondor. Sonder.
That's what I said.
One. Yeah, that's okay. I'm just wanted what I couldn't hear properly. That's why I repeated the whole thing again. Parinji.
What, jump, quoth.
Parinji.
Yeah.
Gondor.
Gondor, handsome. Sundar, KP ritual. One, down.
Okay. Sundar, again, one more meaning of Sundar is beautiful. Okay, Sundar. Okay.
Beautiful.
Yeah. What your homework is, you remember this, Shivansh and Pareen. Write these words and their English meaning in your notebook. All these. Okay. Practice and remember them. Then what you have to do is this will help you to value in the wrong run. Basically, it is for your improving your vocabulary and pronunciation. You do not need to send this work. You don't have to send this work. This is for your practice only. Okay. Practice daily and ask questions where and whenever you are stuck. Okay. Okay. So this is not homework. So this is for your own practice. Now we go to lesson 4. So what we'll learn today, again, this is another way of remembering these vowel conjuncts. The first one is style. Style is taraz.
Taraz.
Taraz. Okay.
Taraz.
What we need to do is that T-A with an O at the top, R-U with a cap on top, and Z. Okay. Shivansh?
Okay.
Shivansh, are you able to see? Remember very correctly. I am filling the blanks. T-A with a circle on top, ta-riz, or U with the cap on top, ta-riz. Okay. The next one is it is style. So next one is near. Near means kareeb. K-A with K-A with an dot with a circle on top, ka, R-I with the left to right extra on top, kareeb. Okay, actually by mistake all this has been written on top. Actually on top in Hindi it should not be complete. It should be also have some breaks, but somehow by mistake we have written all of them. Naseeb, Kameen. Naseeb means N-A again with a circle on top. S-I with the left to right E I with the left to right asterisk B and U Naseeb. It should be Naseeb. B with a U with a cap on top. Okay.
Yeah.
Naseeb. Kameen. Next is mean. Kameen again K-A with a circle on top. M with I with a small with a right to left asterisk and N with a U on top. Okay. Kameen. Now I want Farheen and you one by one. Tell me, how will we write the bitter gourd? How will we spell bitter gourd? We learned the first four. Now you tell me. Karel. Shivansh. Okay, go ahead, Farheen. Go ahead, Farheen first.
A with circle on top. Re. I guess A. L, U with a cap.
You tell me, Shivansh, then I will correct it. How would you write Karel?
Karel.
Yeah.
K.
You have.
Wait 1 second.
You have a notepad. You can write there.
So what was
Karel.
it?
Karel.
So E with a line going that way.
Yeah. Okay.
K.
No.
That.
Hold on. Karel. Karel. Can you show me?
Slant line going like that.
That's okay. That's okay. But A with a circle on top. Karel. Okay. Okay. Re E with a long with a left to right line, as you said, is correct. And then L and U with a cap on top and a cap on top. That is Karel. Okay.
Okay.
You are able to hear me?
Yeah.
Parenji. Top floor.
Kani.
Kani. Barabar. What will you put in this? Blanks. What will you put in the blanks? Fareen.
Okay. A, I guess. Ni kiri I with the right to left dash.
No,
left to right.
Left to right. But not
right.
not KA. KA with a double dot on top. Kani, it's merge wala.
Okay.
Kani. Okay. Shivansh, remember Kani. Top floor, we say Kani. KA with a double dot, K, and with I with the left to right asterisk on top. Okay, Kani.
What does
okay?
left to right mean? Like from
Now
here to
we
here?
go to the next one.
Wait, I have a
It is
question.
if you just write one and then show it to me, I will tell you. Write one, anything I with a dash. I will tell you. Okay. See, I will show you this one, or I will use the lesson. Hold on. A, because I think we have all of them here. See, you see this I with the right to left, it means A. And if it is other way around, it is E. Okay, you see
Wait, what?
paye. Can you see paye?
Yeah.
Can you see paye against E? Paye. Now, if here I with the right to left is this is the right to left.
Oh, this is the
Okay.
right to left.
This is A. This is smaller sound. If it is other way around,
It's gonna be
it
E.
is E. Okay. This is right to left. If it is left to right, then it will be other way around. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
I'll just check if I have another. And that is going to be E. The same thing is good for day left. Right. Okay. Clear now? Clear? Farinji, this is okay? Farinji? Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go back to our lesson. Okay, good. Shivansh, the next word is borut. Borut. Full.
Borut.
How will we fill the blanks? Borut.
So I think O, that's
Bor.
left. Borut. Okay.
Borut.
O.
nahi, Borut. Borut.
Borut.
Borut.
Oh. Okay. So O left to right.
Smaller sound. Smaller.
So B, then O left
Right to left.
right.
Right to left. Borut. Smaller.
And then A with
Not left to right. Right to left. You start with the if you have to start from top to bottom. If you start from bottom to up, if from bottom up it is left to right. Now we're drawing from bottom to top. Okay, line. Get me? It depends on how we write the line on top. When I'm saying right to left, I'm saying I'm drawing the line from top to bottom. Okay, right to left. Okay, it is growth.
Oh,
Hello?
he's not here. I guess it's gone again.
Hello?
Hello. Sorry, I lost you again. My network is very, very fragile today. You are able to hear me now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Shivansh, you are able to hear me? Okay, now go ahead. I will go ahead and I will. Where is my lesson? This one. Okay, I'll go. See, the next word is borut, means B O with the. When I'm saying right to left, I'm drawing a line from top to bottom, not bottom to top. Borut, top to bottom, right to left. Bo are you, again right to left, means when I'm drawing from top to bottom. Top is right, bottom is left. Borut, okay? Borut,
Borut.
full.
Okay.
Mudrer, mudrer, M-O with a left, right to left. Mudrer. It is smaller sound of O. Mudrer, mudrer. D-U with a cap. R-E with a left to right, top to bottom, left to right. Big sound, E. Mudrer, okay? And similarly, re we have just learned today. Re we have learned today. It is small E. E with a right to left, line on top. Okay, whenever I'm saying, again I'm repeating, when I'm saying right to left or left to right, I'm drawing the line from top to bottom. I'm not drawing from bottom to top. Okay, so when we understand that, then it becomes much easier. Re, Chiksha Farinji.
Re. Okay.
Ah,
Heel, Koh.
Ko.
Koh.
O with right to left.
Right.
Da.
And
Koh.
edge. Koh. Correct.
Yeah.
All means sari. Sari. Now, which letter will come here in the blank?
Blank.
In the dash.
A with two dots. Sari.
Correct. Sari. Absolutely right. Shivansh, listen. Sari. S-A with a double dot on top. Farz. Farz.
A with a circle. Fa. Riz. E with right to left.
R. No. You with the cap.
Oh, you with that cap.
Riz.
Okay. You with that cap. Okay. Riz.
You
Okay.
with the cap.
Yeah.
With the cap.
You with the
You with
cap.
the
Okay.
cap.
Okay.
So we have, it is borrowed.
Sari. The Farz. Okay.
Coach. Farinji Pariyute coach.
O with right to left.
Left to right. ऊपर से नीचे, left to right. Coach, big one. Coach.
Okay.
Coach. So पद क्या है?
You with cap.
Correct. First class. Absolutely right. Angun.
Is A with right to left.
Okay. Left to right, the big one. Okay. Angun. Again. I think just again. I'm trying to clarify. Whenever I say left to right or right to left, I start the line from top and go down towards the letter.
Yeah.
This is left to right. Okay. Angun. Okay.
Okay, I thought it was right to. Oh yeah, left to right. Yeah, sorry.
Okay.
मैंने लिखा left to right.
Chalo, ठीक है. Then Angun.
Okay.
So then next one will be you with a
Gun. Okay, it's quite confusing like that.
Right to left.
You with right to left.
Or we can say we can do one thing. We can also use A with a longish that sound. Then we write A with a left to right on top. Angun. You with a right to left.
Right to left.
Smaller sound of O. Angun.
Angun.
Ventilator means wob.
O with right to left.
Correct. Wob. Lathul. Broom means latsul.
Okay. La. A with a dot.
A with a
Dot.
circle.
No,
There is no
circle.
nothing.
Yeah, dot. No, circle. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Thul
And
is you with right to left.
correct.
La.
Correct.
Thul.
Latsul. Animal is push. Push.
Push.
O with a right to
right
left.
to left.
Correct. Push. Push. Okay. Now street is coach.
Gotcha.
Angun is compound.
One.
Ventilator is verb.
Verb.
Broom is latsul. And animal is push.
Push. Latsul push.
Okay. Then we go to the next one. Stream. Stream means qual. Qual. So what we'll write? K. It will be O with a cap on top. Qual. It is a conjunct here.
What? Yeah.
O qual. K with a O with and O with the cap on top. Qual. River is Dariyav. D-A-R I with the longest sound. With the left to right.
Left to Dari.
Sorry, it is smaller sound. Dariyav.
Right to left.
Right to left. Dari. Yav. A with the
Left to right.
left to right. Correct. Dariyav.
Yeah.
Then next is point. P-O with a long line, and that is left to right.
Left to right.
And N with a suffix I. Point.
I.
It is
Superscript. Yeah. I.
sorry, not suffix. Superscript. Sorry.
Superscript. Yeah.
Kameez.
A with a circle. M. I from left to right, and Z. Kameez.
Barabar. First class. Gur.
G. A with a circle and R. Gur.
Gur. Again, Shivansh, remember this. Listen to me. Stream means call. River means Dariyav. Point means water. Shirt means kameez. Watch means gur. Okay? Shivansh, is it okay? So remember how to write this, okay?
Okay.
Now we'll go to the next one. Trousers. Trousers means pajama. Pajama. Kitchen means choke. Carpet means curleen. Curleen, sorry. Mother means merge. Sister means beni. Okay? Can you now tell me the first one, Shivansh? Trousers. Pajama. Pajama.
A with a circle on top. P.
No.
A with a circle on top. P.
No. That is pa. Pa. It is merge wala. P-A with a double dot. Okay? Pa.
A with a double dot.
J and then
A left right.
Correct.
No, U with a cap.
Correct. Pajama.
Okay.
Now you write choke.
Cho. Choke.
Choke.
O left to right.
Hmm.
U with a cap.
Correct. Curleen.
Curleen or curleen?
Curleen. Curleen.
Okay. A with two dots.
Correct.
I left to right.
And N. Correct. Curleen. Merge. This we have read.
Yeah, A with two dots.
A two dots. Beni. This also we have read. Shivansh.
Okay.
Beni.
Yes.
How will you fill the blanks?
I would fill P with A with double dot.
No. Beni. Beni. No, not that way. Be. A. It is be. E with the right to left on top line, that is be. N
Yeah.
with the I with the again right to left. Asterisk. Beni. Both
Right.
A and I are both small sounds. Be, ne. Okay. ठीक है फरहीन जी?
Beni.
Okay. Shivansh, please again tell me how will you write this one? Beni.
Benny. Oh, Benny. I would write E left to right. Ben. Yeah. N. Yeah. Yeah. And I would write I with right to left.
No, both smaller sounds. Beni. Both right to left in be, A
E and
also and
I.
N also. Beni. Both are smaller sounds. It is not be, ni, no. It is be, ni. Both are smaller sounds. The shorter version of both A and I. So beni. Okay. A, I, beni. Now we go to the next one. Books. Books means kitab. If it is only book, it is kitab. If it is books, it is kitab. Farinji.
I right to left. A left to right. B. U with a cap. Kitab
Kitab. Very good. Next one.
is bid.
Old kya go? Bud. Yes.
Bud or bid?
No, bud. Bud.
Bu. D. You right to left
Okay.
and you with a cap.
With D
Bud.
with a dot at the bottom. D with a dot at the bottom. The. It is not the.
Okay, it's not the.
Bud. Okay. Good.
Okay.
Okay. The next one is small. Lokut. Lokut.
Kut.
Okay. Farinji, when you Lokut.
A with a circle.
Law.
Oh, law. Okay, I wrote lakut. Law. Kut.
O with
O.
the cap on top. Lock.
Yeah.
Lokut. U with the right to left.
Right to left. Lakut.
And T with a dot at the bottom to make it T. Lokut. Okay. Ours is T. It's not T. It is T. Lokut. Okay. Next is message. Shich. So what we'll write in the blank? Shivansh.
You with a cap. I
No,
guess.
no. Shich.
Okay.
Shich.
E right to left. E with right to left. I don't know.
Shich.
Asa.
E with a cap. Shich.
Oh.
Shich. Shich. It is share year. No, sorry. It is share small e. Small e with a right to left. Yeah. Shich. CHH means ch. Shich. Okay. Guest means oats.
O with a cap.
No, not with the cap. The O with a small sound, right to left. Pots.
Okay.
It is not
Pots.
pots. It is pots. Okay. O with the right to left. So always remember when you are reading Kashmiri, try to make it into the syllable. Pots. That's why you have to put a little stress on the vowel. Okay. Pots. Now we'll come to the next one. Food is but. BATU with a cap.
A-T. Okay. A with a circle.
No. Simple BA.
A. Okay.
U with a cap. Butter.
Butter.
Head.
Color.
K-A-L-U with a cap. We have read this. We have seen this. We have earlier in first 2-3 lessons we have read both. Cold also, bath, and kal also, head also we have read. Okay. Utensils. Ban.
Ban.
Okay.
Okay. A left to right. U with a cap.
Correct. Perfect. Now for NG you have slightly mastered that. Ban. Gilas. Gilas.
Okay. I right to left. A left to right. U with a cap.
Perfect. Shivansh, are you able to get it? Are you able to read properly? Gilas. Farhinji is saying the correct thing. That's why I'm telling you to sort of you concentrate on how she is reading it. Okay. She's got a hang of it. I'm sure you will also get a hang of it. Okay. Now, cold. Cold is what we have read this, Shivansh. I want you to tell me what is cold in Kashmiri. You are muted.
Tur.
Tur. So how did we write tur? How?
U double dot.
Correct. Perfect. So tur. There were two things differently. Today we read tur, and this cold is tur. Okay. There is a slight difference in the way we pronounce it. Tur and tur. Tur would be U O tur. TU with a cap. Here it is tur. So here it is U with a double dot. Perfect. Farhinji, you read fifth. Fifth means punchim.
U with double dots. I right to left.
Perfect. Shivansh, are you able to? Do you agree with Farhinji? How she said? Okay, good. Sef. Now, Shivansh, I want you to tell me what will keep in the blank. Sef.
Oh, E left to right.
No. E with a cap. Sef. It is yeah. It is a sound of both. Sef. E with a cap. Sef. Eh. It is a conjunct. Sef. E with a cap. Sef. Okay. Farhinji. ठीक
Should I do a cut because it's super fast?
Sef. We have studied this Sef earlier. Shivansh, if you have read the lessons, then you will be remembering
clay,
white clay.
Yeah.
Which I told in olden days, people used to get addicted to eating this, and we used to write on
slate.
On a slate. Right. Sef.
People used to eat white clay.
It was no, it was a sort of bad habit. Some people used to have, not everybody, but some of them used to, they used to have that inclination to eat it. Bok, kidneys means bok. So how will you write? Bok. How will you write, Shivansh? How will you fill the blanks?
So O right to left.
No. O with a cap. Bo. O with a cap. Bo. K.
U with a cap.
U with a cap. Bok. Bok means kidneys. Bok means kidneys.
But we say bakwacha.
Bakwacha Shivana. Bakwacha is alag. Bok basically word.
Okay.
Bakwacha Shivana. Mithai. Can you tell me, Parinji, mithai किस पर लिखो?
हो गया I right to left.
Okay.
T के नीचे dot.
Okay.
I guess A with 2 dots or U with 2 dots.
No, not you. Because then it would be it is mithai.
A with
a double dot. Okay. Perfect. So you got it, Shivansh? Mithai. M, small sound of A, I with the right to left, me, T with a dot means th means th. Mithai. A with double dot on top. Mithai. Tanner means guns. Guns. Okay. Who will tell me what will the what is the blank? How will you fill the blank? Guns. Tanner is
E
guns.
with a cap, I guess.
There is nothing like A with a cap. Do we have A with a cap? No, we don't have.
E.
O with a cap.
No, it is
Okay.
A with a circle on top. Guns.
Oh, guns.
Guns.
Okay.
Guns.
Okay. Okay.
And
We don't
NZ
have.
is already there. NZ is already there, so it is guns. Okay. A with a circle on top. Guns. Okay. So we'll write again. Fifth is Panchim. White clay is Sef. Kidneys is Bokka. Sweets is Mithai. Tanner is guns. Okay. Now face is mock. So what will we write in the blank, Shivansh?
O with a cap.
Correct. Fantastic. Good. Hard is Dhar. Dhar.
E right to left.
Sorry.
You with a cap.
No, hold on. It is door. Hard means door. Go ahead.
O with a cap.
No.
O right to left.
Right to left.
Right to left, right. Now there is why I got confused with this. There are two ways of saying Dhar. Dhar,
Yeah.
one is the female version of the word, which is Dhar. Another is male version, that is Dor. Okay, both are right, but the blanks will be this blank will be filled accordingly. Dor or Dhar. Dhar is a female version of Dor. Okay. Then root is Mool. How will you write blank?
Ooh.
Yes. Oh.
U double dot.
Correct. No. You with
O right to left.
left to right.
Yeah,
Mool.
left to right. Okay.
Left to right. Mool.
Oh.
The big mool. Okay.
Ooh, yeah.
If it is what you are saying, if it is another o with this thing, if it is father is mole. M-O with the left to right, that is mole. Here it is mool. You with the left to right, mool. Okay, you mool. Mool and mole. Mole is father. Mool here is root. Is left to right. You with the left to right asterisk on top. Leaf is vathar. Tell me, Shivansh. Don't look at your mom. You look at me or on your book. Go ahead.
I'm looking on my book. Look,
Okay, great. Vathar.
Water.
Vathar.
Okay.
Vathar.
A normally.
A with a circle on top. T.
Yeah. So
And TH then.
water. It's water, right?
Correct. What will you fill the second blank with?
I'm gonna guess what okay. A with a cap on top.
You with
Sorry, I meant to say you. You with
you
a cap.
with a cap. Yeah. Vathar. Farinji. Vathar. ठीक है?
Yeah, what?
Zang. Zang means one leg. Zang's legs means zang. So how will we write here?
A.
Simple A.
U with a cap.
U with a cap. Zang. Correct.
Yeah.
Very good.
Garib.
Poor means garib.
G-A-R dash reeb. It can be I left to right.
Correct. Left right. Garib. Window is Dhar. We studied this.
Oh. You would.
Dhar.
D. But
The
you with a double dot.
No.
A with double dots.
Right. A with a double dot. Dhar. It is not Dhar. If it was Dhar, then you are right, Shivansh. If it was Dhar, then it would be U with a double dot. It is Dhar.
Oh.
So it is A with a double dot on top. Good, good. We are getting it there, but you have to, every time you have to break this into syllables. Then it is much easier. Knee is coat.
Knee
Coat.
is
Coat.
oh. I think it's O with a cap on top.
That would be quat.
Oh, then
Oh.
O right to left.
Right to left.
Left. Coat. And what else? T with a dot. It is not, unless T has a dot at the bottom, it will not become tha. It will become tha. It will become quat. It is quat. So coat. It is O with a smaller version of right to left. That is coat. T with a dot. TH. Coat. Okay. Hookah. We have studied this last time. Jajir. Jajir. Word is jajir. How will you fill the two blanks?
Jeer. Just quickly, right? So that's J E with a cap. J Jeer. E. Then I'm gonna guess I with left to right.
Left to right. Jajir is okay, but the E is A. It is E with the right to left. It's a smaller version of A. E. E with right to left is J. J I, the longest version, left to right. Jajir.
Left to right. Yeah.
Again, both of you, you must remember, we have read this. We have read this in the previous
We have
lesson.
read
So you
Jajir,
cannot forget that. We have written this. So why I'm saying this, please do me a favor. When you have got, apart from the homework, whatever lessons you have learned, try to write them on with your own hand on a piece of paper, on that notebook. So what will happen that will give your practice on how you write. Jajir. Thorn is kund. Kund.
O right to left.
And
U with a cap.
no. There is no U with a cap. There is a D with
The
a
dot,
dot at the bottom. Dot at the bottom. You have forgotten.
Oh.
Okay.
D is dot at the bottom. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, sometimes we there is a, if it is D only, it is the kund, but it is kund.
Okay.
So it is D with a dot. Okay.
D
The
with a dot, okay.
you have to remember. Then gant. Kite is gant. We have studied this. How will you write gant?
Gant.
Gant.
U with a cap. U with a cap.
No.
U with double dot.
No. It is not U at all.
Oh.
Gant. Parinji.
Oh. A with a circle.
A with a double dot.
Double dot.
Oh.
It would be circle on top, Shivansh. If it is gant. Okay.
That's faster.
It is gant. It is A with a double dot. Gant. Messenger. Cursed.
Sid. Oh, that's Sid. A with a double dot.
Correct. Perfect. And then next one.
I right to left.
Right to left. Smaller one. Cursed.
Right.
Perfect. Now you are getting there. Compound. Angun. Okay.
Angun. A left to right.
Okay. G, then NG, then next one. Un.
I guess you right to left.
Correct. Where you should be confident. Oh, Angun. Angun. A longish sound of A and small sound of O. Angun. Okay. Bone is a dig. Okay. Tell me.
A. Then D के लिए dot. I, right to left.
Correct. Adage.
Orange.
Laughter. Asun.
AS. You, right to left.
Correct. Perfect. Ekdam badhiya. Now what you have to do, PDF of this lesson will also be posted on WhatsApp group that you know. Please take printout, maintain a file, revise, and as and when you can, try and use learnt words, sentences in your daily routine. If you have no one to talk to yourself in the mirror. So Shivansh, you talk to your mom, dad, and Farheen, you talk to your mom, dad, sister. Huzaifa also is there. Yes, she will also learn. Okay, good.
Yeah.
Now assignment is write any of the 15 words above in full form. That is the blanks. Where there are some blanks are there, you have to use those words. Which this one, not the earlier version. You have to use these where we have some blanks left. Write these in full form. Write any 15 words from the above in full form, duly inserted with vowels in Devanagari or Roman. You are writing Roman, so all Roman in your notebook. Okay. Record your audio too. You can also write all the words you learned today. I would suggest, though it is written 15 words, I would suggest you write all the words in your handwriting. Okay. And then
I
pronounce them.
always do that.
Yeah, that
Yeah.
will be best. That is best. That's the way to go about it. With your roll number and name written on top as usual. Take a photo and place it with audio and send it to Kusam ji. Okay. Please do not, yet now nobody is putting on WhatsApp group. So tell us your roll number and name in video also. Okay. Please do that. Fully correct words will give you 2 marks. Now the numbering has started. Marking has started. Fully correct words will give you 2 marks. Partly correct 1 mark. Wrong 0. Okay. No negative marking.
Okay.
Okay. Good. Next, all the class homework needs to be submitted by Wednesday end of the day. Submissions after Wednesday shall not be accepted. This is the usual thing what we keep telling you. Okay.
Yeah.
Now this is workbook. This is for your own practice. This also you must do. Jalkar, Walye, Suliner, Katichuk, Kya Gachi, Saathvuch, Dautrav, Myakunvuch,
Sor your Sor your
Yar Ush.
Sor your Ush. Okay.
Go ahead, Farinji, read this. Shivansh, you also listen. Farinji, you can read this.
Dhyan dit boaz. Akash ch nyul. 15 minute gay.
Gaye.
Gay. Okay, gay.
Though you don't write, you don't sound when you read this word, you don't read like that, but you must remember. So it is I with the right to left.
I right to gay. Okay. Sarup chu ho hol pakan.
This should be whole. Actually, L is
Whole pakan.
Whole pakan. Okay.
Okay. Tooth kya gav.
Tooth kya gav.
Tooth kya gav. Hupur kus drav. School chu variyah dur. Tur makar. Tur makar. Okay. Tur che setha. Kani pet khas. Bon av gosun.
Gasoin.
Okay, O with long. Okay, gosun. Okay.
Next.
Sovapari chu
Pörin,
obur.
sova pör.
Kapari chu obur.
Obor, ah.
Vony gau gargatsun. Okay.
Fine, go, go.
Gargatsun.
Shivansh, can you read any one of them? Okay, any one sentence. Okay, I will give you. Okay, read this one. Davtrav. Can you read this? The first one. D-A-V.
Davtrav.
Next one.
मैं कौन वुच
Hold on. It is me kun wuch. Wuchichun. There is no U with a cap. It is me kun wuch. Okay.
मैं कौन वुच
Next one.
चोर यार us
Sorry, yaar. Next one also. Can you read the next line also?
Jan'23
Very good. Very good. Next one. Perfect.
आकाश चू न्युल
Nul, because it's a left to right asterisk. Nul. It was other way around, then it will be nul. Akash to nul. Okay. Sky is blue. It means sky is blue. Next one.
15 मिनट गए
Minute. 15 minute. T with a dot. Minute gaye. Okay. So good. So what I want both of you, please read all these also and write these also. What will happen? You will practice. You will know how to write certain vowels or conjuncts. Okay.
okay
Like this, especially the e with a cap. Pet. So this you should understand how to write. And Gosan, where I is a superscript. Use these sawapur. So one. So use these conjuncts. You will practice this. You will learn how to do that. Am I right? Anything more? Oh, there's one more page. Sorry. Farinji, can you read this again?
Tas kya dod chu. Me ma ch tamich khabar. Mandras manz ch arti jari. Okay. Tot kot go.
Very
Tot
good.
kot go.
Tot kot go. Correct.
Okay. Te chey kya parvai.
Chuye.
Chuy. Okay,
Kya?
chuy.
Kya
Parvai.
parvai. Very good.
Labe gache pakun.
Okay.
Okay. Hera che köl ket. Safar chu setha zut.
Aat mein kya galti che? TS tal chune dot ki.
Dot ki.
के 400 tal ken dot aach mein
Setha.
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 Setha zut.
Zut.
ये इच बराबर. Next one.
Kul lanjan pet ch janavar bihit.
Very good. Next.
ऐसे क्या at sanun. इसको भी डॉट नहीं है. ओके नहीं. ओके ठीक है. at. आंगनस मंज अस दांद जूर. अस दांद जूर.
Shivansh, us is also was. Okay. Like mouth, it is also was. Okay. Next.
खबर सो क्या जे ओस दयान.
Osn. Os doyan.
Os dyan. Os dyan.
Okay. Next.
Kudrat kares yari.
First class. Next.
Pandit ji av.
Okay.
Pantmis porous khas.
Pünçimiz chorus. Now you remember here it is you with a double dot.
Pantmis, yeah.
Pünçimiz chorus. Tochu param because you know pünçim. So you have to
Yeah.
actually you have to remember it is you with a two double dot. So know the
Pantmis.
pünçimiz chorus.
Porous khas.
Hmm.
Pant hat rupiye de.
500.
Okay, 500. Okay, A with
a double
dots.
dot. Her and T with a dot. Hurt with a dot. 500 rupiye de.
How much
Okay.
is 500?
65.
Okay.
Okay. Shivansh, you take any two sentences. I want you to practice. Okay, go ahead. Go ahead with this one. Mandras months. Okay.
Mandras months che arti jari.
Jury.
Jury.
Next.
Tot kot gav.
Tot kot gao. Okay.
Tot kot gav. Chuye ke parvai.
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 Labi gachi pakun.
You must walk by the side of the road. Labi. Okay. Next one.
Herat chi kalket.
Curl. Because I with the superscript means L is more important. Here is very small. Curl. Okay. Next.
Suffer to seta.
It is seta, but it should be with a dot. It should mean seta. Seta is the word. Seta. Zoo. Very good. Okay, you write. I see. You leave this. Go to the next one. I see.
Sanun.
I see kya atsanun. I see kya. It should be H actually also A with this thing and it should be H. I see kya atsanun. Okay, next one.
Angunas mans as dandu jur.
Us dand jur. Us. We read this today. Mouth. Us. A with a double dot. Us dand jur. Okay. Okay. Next one.
Khabar su kyari os doyan.
Diyan. Next.
Koldrat karis yari.
Kodrat. Kares. E with a cap. Kares. Qua. O with a cap. Qua. Darat. Kares. E with a cap. Yeri. A with a double dot. Yeri. Okay. Very good. Write the last one.
Pandaji
Aw.
Pandaji aw. Punsemis poraskas.
Very good. This one is tough one. Go ahead.
Pant sa hurt ropi de.
Pansa hurt because it is T with a dot, so it is Pansa
yeah.
hurt. Ropi de. Very good. So, Tashtogu Dashwini as Shivansh Farhin lesson chas ठीक तोरो ते सोरे फिक्री
Magar practice karan jori.
Wine go hotun wine mokle vowels se parit I mokle wine conjunct se parit I per consonant se parit wine chi sorry is nice hishmut chi su kuspatin chi istemal karun kuspatin chi use karun ठीक है शिवांश ठीक है ना त्याचे तुझे माइंड में विचार warrior You know what I mean?
No.
Suchuk Musha or means you look here and there sometimes.
Okay.
Okay, but I like it. Today you did the last one, which was very tough actually. Even Farheen had a difficulty. This word you tried to read it the way you have learned it. Panch Roppy. Now you should do one thing. This O with a cap, E with a cap. So these you should remember how to use them. That is caress, Rop, Kodrat, Ropie. So you must remember this. Shall I close this lesson? Then we can have 5 minutes. Okay. I'll stop share. Okay, now we can have the cameras on. Now we can talk. Tell me, Farinji. Bema chuke.
नकी ना मैं बस अच्छे जरूरी गाइड वर्ड याद था इनका
Guide words याद था बन.
pronunciation किस पर छे.
Farheen and Shivansh use an as the special vowels page to use an as ak page os group of months Shivani ji throw so one page Masterji sun. Farheen that also has nastalic. Okay, so one page. So you keep it, you print it and keep it with you. ठीक है ना? So then it will be much easier. So parun gets setha asan. Pronounce karun gets set asan. Vanchu sentences, Vanchu words, letters. Again, next time, Karawais, apart from lesson, if we get more time, I don't know how long the next lesson will be. What we will do, earlier lessons, whatever words we have learned, I will ask you, I will say the word in English. You have to tell me what it means in Kashmiri.
What means in Kashmiri? Yeah.
That is better. So now you can read it, but you should know other way around also. Both. Both के आगे के आगे ach के आगे कल के आगे. Okay, if it's a parts of body. Okay, ath ner khor zang zang. So I would suggest that why don't you do one thing? Let us do it for that. You use parts of the body which you have learned in these last 4 lessons, including today's. Now write down all those parts of word, parts of body in Roman English.
Okay, on a single page.
On a single page, and say legs, say zanga, say urch means say. Okay.
Okay.
Then I have a question.
Yeah,
Can you
sure.
reshare the page?
Yeah, I'll reshare that page. No problem. Okay.
Thank you.
I will tell Shivani to reshare it. Okay, no problem.
Bye.
If she forgets, I will tell. Okay, bye. We had a long lesson today again. Okay, bye. Bye. That's a good smile, and I know you are enjoying your class. Thank you. Farinji, namaskar. Okay, God bless both of you. Adab. God bless both of you. Bye bye.